Well, a few flurries are flying out here on the weather deck. We're going to see more snow coming off the lake, and with an Alberta clipper this evening may lead to some challenging driving here this evening. 13 weather ball blinking bright for that early tonight. It's also red. That means not quite as cold weather ahead over the weekend. This view sponsored by Countryside Greenhouse of Allendale. We forecast a high of 18. It made 19, jumped up 5 degrees in 1 hour, and then just kind of calmed down out at the airport 3 days in a row within 3 degrees of our forecast high. Here are your temperatures and wind chills. We'll drop down into the single numbers overnight, but the winds are going to be fairly light. In fact, they'll calm toward daybreak. The skies become clear after the evening snow flurries, and then the clouds will increase here tomorrow. We'll at least be up into the 20s tomorrow. 5.1 for the month of February. We're running almost 3 inches below for our winter snowfall here in West Michigan. In terms of snowfall, we're starting to see some flurries come into the greater Grand Rapids area. This came in off the lake here a little while ago, and an Alberta clipper may enhance some of this snow throughout the evening hours. You can see by 7 o'clock there'll be 6 o'clock, 7 o'clock there'll be a little line of some snow showers come on shore. This is 8 o'clock in the evening. You see a little bit of spin in the snow. Once you're in these areas, you could get an inch or two very, very quickly. And as winds turn around more to the north over the course of the night, we'll see some clearing skies, and the snow will calm down quite a bit. Now, some morning sunshine will give way to some afternoon clouds, and over the weekend will not be quite as cold, and the chances of snow over the weekend are not zero, but they'll be low or no impacts. Nonetheless, we'll see some sunshine here this weekend with some moderating temperatures, and that's going to continue into next week. As I mentioned, here this evening, there could be a quick inch or two. This is between now and 11 o'clock tonight, and a little bit more once you get south of Holland. By daybreak, there could be 3 inches of snow or more. Meanwhile, here in Grand Rapids, I think we're going to see certainly less than an inch of snow, and that will continue through much of the weekend. A little bit more up toward the Ludington toward the end of the weekend. Taking a look at our long-range outlook, every Friday we get the week 3 and 4 temperature and precipitation outlook. Good portion of the country is going to see high chances for warmer than average temperatures, and it creeps up into southern lower Michigan. Maybe the second half of February and early March won't be quite as cold, but we still have a higher chance for more precipitation, so that may mean more snow. During that 2-week period, we get about 6 inches worth of snow. Tomorrow, we're looking at morning sunshine, afternoon clouds, and the winds are going to increase out of the south here at 15 to 20. Nonetheless, temperatures getting up into the mid-20s. Up north, not quite as breezy. Low 20s here, maybe mid-20s up around the Baldwin area. From Grand Rapids southward, morning sunshine, afternoon clouds, highs up into the mid-20s. 13 on your side forecast. Jumping to 30 then on Sunday. We'll be right around 30 both Monday, and we'll finally break above freezing starting Tuesday, and then Wednesday and Thursday will be dry as well. Upper 30s as a wintry mix turns to rain, and then back from a wintry mix to some snow on Friday. That second system we talked about yesterday coming in next weekend, probably not going to happen now as we stay dry, but we do turn colder.